Hello everyone, welcome to PT Reading Filling the Blanks Real Exam Question Series. This is 51st video in this series. It means that we have covered, you and me, both of us have covered 50 real PT reading exam questions, right? Reading Filling the Blanks 50 हम discuss कर चुके हैं. Along with that, we have discussed the strategies, the tips and tricks, how to solve them along with new hacks, right? I hope आपकी knowledge build हो रही है how to solve your reading blanks now. So now let's get started. First things first, now PT is accepted in UK. So if you want to study, work or settle in UK, you can do it through PT, and 90% of Canadian universities now accept PT academic. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PT. And now a question which students ask, क्या sir हम भी कर सकते हैं? The answer is big yes. If you are going to follow the same strategies, tips and tricks, trust me, you are also going to score. Whatever your target score is, चाहे आपका score 58 है, चाहे आप 65 लेना चाहते हैं, 79 plus or even 90. So many students of ours have scored, so you guys can also score. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now PT reading integrated reading module होता है 32 to 41 minutes का होता है and it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47. It has 5 question types. Reading filling the blank is the second last question type in this order. And this is the real PT reading scoring. As you can see, reading is going to contribute just 47 marks. उसमें से 15 marks are for your reading filling the blanks. It means that if you are getting 5 reading filling the blanks, they will be of 3 marks each. That's why these are very important if you want to achieve your target score. And with our strategies, things have become simpler, right? And you just have 2 to 2.5 minutes only, right? You cannot spend more than that time. अब उस time में 2 to 2.5 minutes में can you read all the words? Can you understand their meaning? The answer is no, right? What you need to do is you need to learn the skill of skimming. आपको skimming करनी आनी चाहिए so that you can also skim things and solve things quickly. This is today's blank. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go through this and then we are going to discuss this. Okay, so you know that first thing which we do is we do the skimming to understand the gist, the central theme idea क्या है, tenses, past, present, future, along with tone, positive tone है, negative tone है या neutral tone है. So let's get started with the skimming. The electrons that orbit closest to the nucleus are strongly something. They are called bound electrons. The electrons that are farther away from the pull of the nucleus can be forced out of their something. These are called free electrons. Free electrons can dash from one atom to another. This movement is known as electron something. Electricity is the movement or the flow of electrons from one atom to another. Okay, electricity की बात है इसमें. राइट तो इट्स लिटिल बिट फिजिकल. अगर आपने फिजिक्स पढ़ी हुई है थोड़ा सा इजी हो जाएगा, नहीं पढ़ी हुई है सो इट यू मे सीम यार थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है ये कंसेप्ट, हमें तो कंसेप्ट ही नहीं पता. बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग दैट हम कंसेप्ट के बेसिस पे नहीं चलते, हम अपने हैक्स ग्रामेटिकल रूल्स के बेसिस पे चलते हैं, राइट? So the second thing you need to do is you have to do the parts of speech classification. Okay, so you have to do the parts of speech classification. अब अटैच्ड क्या है? अटैच्ड आपका एक तरह से वर्ब है. ओके, अट्रैक्टेड भी क्या है? आपकी वर्ब है. एस्पेक्ट, किसी चीज का एस्पेक्ट पता होना, राइट? इट्स अ नाउन यू कैन से. फ्लो वर्ब है, मूव वर्ब है. ऑर्बिट्स वर्ब भी हो सकती है, नाउन भी हो सकता है. See, orbits is like जब जैसे planets हैं, this is our sun, so planets, let's say this is Earth, so Earth is orbiting around, so right, उस प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं, ऑर्बिट। और अगर वो जो चक्कर लगाते हैं, जो सर्कल होता है, उसको भी हम ऑर्बिट ही कहते हैं। सो इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ वर्ब एज वेल एज नाउन। एडहीसिव, सिमिलरली एडहीसिव आपकी नाउन भी हो सकता है, एडजेक्टिव भी हो सकता है। एग्जाम्पल, तो इट्स लाइक दिस कि अगर आप स्ट्रॉन्ग एडहीसिव की बात कर रहे हो, ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे एडहीसिव नाउन है, स्ट्रॉन्ग उसका एडजेक्टिव है। बट अगर आप लेट्स से एडहेसिव ग्लू की बात कर रहे हो, तो यहाँ पे आपका ग्लू जो है आपका नाउन हो गया, एडहेसिव एडजेक्टिव हो गया। सो आई होप दिस इज क्लियर। नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द सॉल्विंग प्लान। स्ट्रांगली क्या होता है, हमारी एडवर्ब होती है। ओके, एलवाइज जितने भी वर्ड्स एलवाई में एंड होते हैं, एडवर्ब होती है। अब एडवर्ब के बाद क्या आएगा, वर्ब आएगी। ओके, तो अब we can use process of elimination. अब in this process we eliminate the wrong options and we just keep the right one. Right, so हमें अब क्या eliminate करना है, हमें सिर्फ verbs रखनी है, rest we can eliminate. Okay, अब सेंस देखिए किसका बनता है। अब अगर आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया होगा, राइट, तो द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दैट ऑर्बिट क्लोजेस्ट टू द न्यूक्लियस आर स्ट्रांगली अटैच्ड होंगे न्यूक्लियस से, या वो अट्रैक्ट होते हैं। See, nucleus is your, like if you remember a little bit physics, nucleus is you're having protons which are having positive charge and neutrons which are having neutral charge. तो अब नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव आपस में क्या करता है, अट्रैक्ट करता है, अटैच नहीं होता है, राइट। ये तो सबको पता है कि ऑपोजिट्स अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर, सो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव आपस में अट्रैक्ट करेंगे। सो द राइट आंसर ओवर हियर इज गोइंग टू बी योर attracted. Okay, strongly attracted. Now do you need to read all this, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, but still if you want you can skim it. The electrons that are farther away from the pull of the nucleus can be forced out of there. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पे क्या बात हो रही है, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या करते हैं, ऑर्बिट। सो दिस इज योर न्यूक्लियस, लेट्स से दिस इज इलेक्ट्रॉन, रोटेट हो रहे हैं, राइट, सर्कल चक्कर लगा रहे हैं, न्यू ऑर्बिट कर रहे हैं। तो अब जो न्यूक्लियस से दूर होते हैं, जो पास वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं वो स्ट्रांगली अट्रैक्टेड होते हैं, जो दूर वाले होते हैं वो क्या होंगे, लूजली अट्रैक्टेड होंगे। तो वो क्या हो सकते हैं, पुल्ड आउट ऑफ देयर orbits. Okay, so the answer for this one is going to be orbits. Okay, pulled out of their orbits. They are called free electrons. Now free electrons can dash from one atom to another. अब free electrons क्या हो सकते हैं, एक एटम से दूसरे एटम में। The answer is move कर सकते हैं, they can move from one atom to another, right? This movement is known as electron something. अब फॉरवर्ड रीडिंग से आप उसका आंसर भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज द मूवमेंट ऑफ फ्लो और फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो दिस मूवमेंट इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो, कि फ्लो हो रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे, right? So you see, if you know the right strategies, it can really help you, and all the answers are correct. So now what are our strategies? Our strategies are based on context, lexical resource, and grammar. In context, you have to do the skimming. You saw how important skimming can be. You see a technique today which is known as forward reading. हम flow वाला answer forward reading के basis पे find out कर पाए. Backward reading, another technique. Tone analysis also, it's important. For lexical resource, we have collocations, phrasal verbs, and vocabulary. Coming to the grammar part, we have parts of speech. You see how important parts of speech are. Then subject verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, British English rule, sentences. So you see, it's important that you know this grammar course because it's going to help you in your, not only in your reading, but also in your listening as well as writing. So that's why grammar is important, especially if you are looking to score 79 plus. And you have 2 to 2.5 minutes to prepare your topic. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you have to skim the content. You have to do the parts of speech classification like we have done today. And in the next 90 to 120 seconds, you can use the process of elimination and apply the strategies to solve your reading filling the blanks. And all the strategies which we teach at Marvel PTE are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students have achieved their target score. they can score, you can also score. And these are some of our success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, 81. So if these guys can score, you can also score. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. So if you have any question or doubt, or if you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching, you can contact us. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your